Welcome to the channel, Trader Jan speaking. I'll do the review of the trades from the 5th of December. A bit of a disappointing day. I had distributed over the different type of accounts. I had 20 ticks plus for the demo account. Yahoo! On the evaluation account, -6 and -20 on the funded account. So overall result of the day is -6 ticks. The only thing I'm happy about on Friday was that I stopped trading because I felt the market was not for me on that day. So I avoided overtrading and went as far as I could. And at some point I said, okay, no, I'm done. I don't want to risk too much more. So it looks like, psychologically speaking, I'm getting a bit more mature. So looking at the overall area. So we have two agenda points here. One is looking at the locations which we defined and if they really matched what actually happened on the market. And then we review the concrete trades. Looking at from a daily chart, it's going up here. Definitely bullish, not the big steps, but it's going slowly up. This area here going to be extremely interesting in the market analysis then in preparation for Monday. For this area is a rejection area. If the market settles up here, then we are all long. If not, then we might want to look into the area down here where the markets hopefully might be able to bounce back. Like that used to be a rejection area, now it could be a support area. And here currently it is still a rejection area. If it happened to settle more higher up there, then there's a good chance of being long. In between that area here, it is more of a range. Now, but that's for the market analysis. I'm here for the review of the trades. So let's check our locations first. Could we trust our locations for the trades or not? So this one is let's do it in the 15 minutes chart and not in the 1 hour chart. Much more realistic. So as we can see here, the market started here, went a little bit south, and then pushed up to our location. Pick back to the location. So that trade back here would have been successful. That trade up here would have been successful. It pushed through, stopped at this high volume area here, and which was like an area here as well, and here as well, and here as well. So, and it was like resistance here, support here. I guess I should have marked that area more rather than this area down here, because my assumption was that once the market settles in this volume area here, it feel well and gonna side trade. Didn't happen. Then the market went up to our big location up here, printed a lot of volume up here, but got finally rejected and went down back to that location. Perfect match. Not surprising because it was here rejected, and here now that turned into a support area. It all looks nice after the facts. During the trading day, I don't know what happens. I'm still in the process of digesting the data which comes along my desk during the trading in a way where I can actually do trades. At the moment, I'm more specializing into micro trades, and but I traded so far without the locations. Let's see how next week's trading gonna be when I take those locations into account. I use this week now for training my market analysis skills. So you can see here my trading approach is within a range. Mark that area. So within a range. I wait until the range is building, and then I go from the board of the range into that range in. Here, I guess I was more in that area here. I was more anticipating that the market's gonna go down here again because there was a kind of a downward, whatever it is. But I'm not a big fan of these lines. Markets don't move around lines. They move because of liquidity. So I did a short here, but due to my approach for the trading, I DCA in after 25 ticks, and then I took the trade here. So that was the first entry. Second entry, then I'm in with 2 contracts, and I took it out then here. Sure, after the facts, we all know price moves up and up and up. I could have taken it out here, and with 2 contracts going up there would have been really nice. But yeah, life meant different. So here's a little range as well. I went at the bottom and out at the top. There was a whole range thing going on over here. So I tried to go in at the range corners and then trade into that range. Still training myself that skill. It's a lot about watching order flow and watching the thickness of the markets, watching delta. Quite interesting. I like it, and it's happened to be in sync with my mentality. So I want to keep going that one. A little bit I add next week in the trading is about including those locations into my trading, even though I'm scalping, but at least I might have a better view in where the ranges actually develop. Now, as a summary for the 5th of December, -6 ticks for the overall accounts, demo accounts +20 ticks, evaluation account -6 ticks, and funded account -20 ticks. Enough talking. See you down at the trading floor.